So the gap lies around Pattaya City. It's St. Patrick's Day today, which is one of the events I came to Thailand for. This Pattaya St. Patrick's Day parade, but that's been cancelled. I also came here to watch Pattaya Discovery United play football, and that's been cancelled. I also came here for the Pattaya Music Festival. Sounds on the Sand as it was advertised, but that's also been cancelled. So I've been here on my second week, and it's basically been an uneventful holiday so far. But I would say last week, it was first week I was here, it was so hot, and I've been coming here a good few years, and the heat was, it was, some days it was unbearable. But then on Sunday we had a 2-hour downpour, and sort of cleared the air and cooled it down a bit. So that's that out of the way. It's 10:30 in the morning. Just thought I'd come down and see what's going on. I know it's a bit early, but there's a few tourists around, but I'm pretty certain it should be a little bit more busier than this. I've been around town and it is very, very quiet. So today is St. Patrick's Day, and the Thailand Prime Minister is supposed to make a big announcement today, obviously to do with the virus, and also about the entertainment venues in Pattaya and probably all over the country. So we wait with bated breath for that, hopefully around 4 o'clock this afternoon, and then we'll see. I mean, yesterday I'm up in North Pattaya. I went to Jomtiem Immigration, and even going there, every street we drove down was roadworks, roadworks, roadworks everywhere. It was absolutely unbelievable. And then I'm going to take a walk back to the hotel now and have a cup of coffee. And as you can see, there's a lot of empty sunbeds. As I say, it's not good times here. But the Thai people, they carry on doing what they're doing, regardless. The other thing is, all along Beach Road even, I mean, September last year I was here, and there was roadworks, and it's still going on. And to get onto the beach can be a bit of an adventure, trying to get over the roadworks. And as far as the eye can see, if you look left or look right, all you can see is dug up roads. Well, dug up part of the road anyway. But apparently it's going to be a big benefit in the end, because it's going to be flooding, stop the flooding, and there's also a lot of cables going underground instead of hanging over our heads. Hopefully it'll be worth it in the end, as they say. And maybe it's a good time to do it if the tourism drops off. So these are these wonderful little bridges we have to cross to get to and from the beach. And this is what they're doing. As I said, as far as the eye can see, Right, that's just a little look around the beach. Not looking too good, but I suppose. And then the other thing, obviously, Songkran's been cancelled as well, so that's another event that's bit the dust here, which is very popular with the Thais. Anyway, right, lots around Pattaya City. Like, share, subscribe. This is what it looks like March 2020. Hopefully things will improve. As we say in the trade, things can only get better, we hope. Right, speak soon, catch you later.